guys, I'm here with a flip through video for you guys. This is going to be a flip through of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful book, Magic Garden, Color Dream Create by Virginia Arraga De Malherbe. De Malherbe, okay? Excuse me, guys. The voice is like, oh, look at the cute little dog at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so I have been in search for this book ever since my girl Diamond Glitz. Goodbye to her. She used to be on YouTube, guys, and I miss me some Diamond Glitz, but that's okay. That's okay, Diamond. I see you, girl. I see you in my dreams. But anyway, she was the first person I saw haul this book. Excuse me, from Ollie's, and this is how the front cover looks. It's a hardcover book, and the back says 60 magical garden designs on metallic paper to color and share. Immerse yourself in beauty and creativity, and it's by Black Dog and Leventhal Publishers, New York. And it's US $15.99 and Canada $19.49. They just be doing my poor Canadian people just wrong with these prices, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But anyway, like I said, I was able to find this book at Ollie's, which I was just, when I saw it, guys, I was jumping up and down. You should have saw me. But this book, when you first open it, it has a beautiful gold metallic cover, and the metallic is kind of like what do you call this? It's not shiny, it's more of a matte metallic. So this is a gold color here, kind of like a khaki color, and then it has, of course, the name, and the pages are easily removable because it says you can share them. So the spine is not sewn or anything, it's glued. So you can easily tear the pages out, and the pages come out very, very easily. But guys, first I want to first and foremost start off with the paper quality. This has to be some type of 300 GSMO, or however you say it, but like 100-pound paper, because it's super thick. I mean, super thick. You can do watercolor all day, every day in this book. Watercolor, magic markers. Of course, if you're doing either one of those medias, you would want to put a protector behind your paper regardless, because you never know what may bleed through, but it can definitely hold some watercolor. So hopefully during this flip through, all of my pages won't come out, because see, it's already lifting, but that's okay. It's a beautiful book. I don't care about the pages coming out, because they're perfect to frame and share, like it said. So here's the first page, and they're different metallic cover colors, different metallic color backgrounds. This background here has more of a, I wouldn't say gold, more of like a bronzy type of color. I'm going to try to turn these pages super gently so I won't make all of the pages come out. And here's the next page, and they're one-sided. This page has more of a reddish metallic color, and it has the little birdie there. And it's going to be hard for me to figure out if this is one page or two or three or four, because the pages are like, they're so very thick. Now here's the next page, and this is definitely a gold metallic background. Oh, these pages are so thick. You hear that, guys? That's like real. Oh my goodness. This one is more like a silver metallic background. This one is the same. I think that's just gorgeous. Look at that ladybug there. Kind of like a matte gold there. Oh, we have some fishies with the matte gold background. And I couldn't find a flip through of this book anywhere on YouTube for the most part. Well, no, nowhere on YouTube. There's more of like a silvery gold background. This is more like the gold background. Oh, there's that red looking background. Beautiful. And I love the simple designs of it. The designs are very simple. You can do a lot of shading and blending, and these pages will not take much time to complete at all. That's one of those kind of red looking backgrounds. And I like the fact that it has garden, flowers, floral, and sea life in it. That is just beautiful. I have some little dragonflies here, butterflies. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love the simplicity of these pictures. You can draw your own little details in if you'd like, or you can just straight color without having to worry about, you know, a lot of blending and shading. And just with that background being metallic, it's just that that's done for you already. You don't have to worry about doing metallic paint or anything to that nature. Look at the toucans. And you can make this page just so colorful and fun, or elegant, or whimsical. Oh, look at all those butterflies. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I'm going to have some fun with this book, guys. I'm glad I got 2 copies. I need to go back and get 2 more copies to give as a giveaway. You know I'm always shopping for you guys because I know a lot of my fellow colorists who would just really, really enjoy this book. And I saw it on Amazon. I will put the link below, but I saw it on Amazon for $14 and I think 51 cents. So it's available, but guys, I'm loving it. I really do like it. That's pretty. Excuse me, guys. This weather is not good to us. It's making our sinuses and allergies just act crazy. Now, this picture I can see doing, using your stickles and doing like the diamond dots and all that kinds of stuff there. Make it very, very sparkly. Oh, those are pretty. That's interesting. This looks more like abstract type of, you know, designs here with the lines and things. You can really create some things. Is this 2 sheets of, no, this is not 2 pieces of paper. Is this, guys, this paper is so super thick. I don't know when it's 1 sheet or not. Have a few butterflies and leaves. You can probably chop wood with this paper. It feels like they just took a tree and just put it in a book. This paper is just so thick. And you can use acrylic paints. I can see using my Kuretake shiny watercolor paints with this. Ooh, guys, yes. Ooh, just wait. Just wait. I'll show them to you what I'm talking about. The starry paints. I'll show you what I'm talking about after the flip through. Oh, look at there. And a seahorse, how pretty. It has a very nice balance of sea life and florals and animals and insects. Very, very nice. There's another abstract with butterflies with little circles. Flowers and leaves. A page full of ladybugs and leaves. Apparently someone likes that type of bird. It looks like the same little fella appearing in all the pictures. Oh, well, there's that fella with his back turned. And that's it. That's the end, guys. And it has all of the publishing information here at the back. And here's the beautiful hardcover back portion of the book. And that's it. And these are the watercolors, paints that I was talking about. The Starry Color by Kuretake. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this flip through, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And as usual, happy coloring. Bye.